I hate funerals.
Yeah, who doesn't?
This is bullshit. We were too slow.
You did fine. I should have stayed with him.
And then we'd bury 2 bodies today.
Kate.
How you holding up?
I still can't believe he's gone.
I know. I just want to kill the bastards all over again.
Thank you, Hector.
I hate to break it to you, but this is far from over.
What do you mean?
All the company has to do is send more men with the next train.
He's right. We can't win this. Maybe it's time we cut our losses.
No,
Then what?
we blow up the bridge.
What bridge?
The bridge at Eagle Falls. No bridge, no train, no more pain and misery for the people of Flagstone. I'm gonna go to Eagle Falls and blow their damn bridge to smithereens if it's the last thing I do.
That's a tall order, miss.
I'll do it alone if I have to.
I've seen that place. It's massive. Well guarded. Gonna be a risky venture.
Come on, Doc. You can't walk away from this now.
Nah, of course not. You paid me. I'm yours.
That's what I want to hear.
Already my provisions?
I'll saddle the horses.
We can take care of the bridge, miss. You just stay here, all right?
No way, Mr. Cooper. This is my fight. I'm not gonna let you fight it for me.
Well, suit yourself. Now, I've checked this place out. We just strolled through the camp, and we're at the bridge.
Now that's a bridge. It'll take a wagon full of dynamite to bring her down.
Not necessarily. That there's her weak spot. Target that and the rest will topple like a house of cards.
Now that there's a plan, Dr. McCoy. But we're still gonna need dynamite.
They're bound to have some stored around here somewhere. It makes sense there to be dynamite in that hut in the quarry.
There's also a weapons shed at the shooting range.
If I was in charge around here, I'd keep that dynamite locked up tight.
Yeah, don't you worry. Locks and me are old dance partners.
So, we snatch the dynamite and head back to the bridge.
We set the dynamite and then find some cover. I'll save a bullet so I can light her up from afar.
Then it's curtains, ladies and gentlemen.
Then, we'll have to work our way to the train and meet up with Hector.
You take it for granted that he'll be at the rendezvous on time?
This is one fireworks show he wouldn't miss for the world.
I could use a disguise too, but I might have spotted just the thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Bridge won't collapse by itself.
Gonna be one hell of a day.
Everyone remember the plan.
that?
I got a feeling about this. Property of the DeWitt Company. No objection. Primed and ready. Let's throw out the door.
Fuck?
Hook,
Fine.
line, and sinker. You won't feel a thing. On my way.
The heck?
Heading there. Well, all right. I smell not much happening around here.
Most of the hands are busy working. These guys here are isolated.
Which means no one will hear their cries for help.
Who needs a good killing? Let's make it quick. Here goes.
I got the tools for it. Works very fast. Let's keep moving. See you in hell. All right. Out of sight, out of mind.
On my way. Okay, then.
Should have changed into something warmer.
Time for dynamite.
Not sure I trust this. I got a few tricks in here. Straight through hell. It saved me dozens of times. It's just fishing. I got a feeling about this. Here they come. Who needs a shot?
Hey now. I got you.
Bai, ia hoi. Bai. Hei, bai. Bai, bai, entzuten da? Mikrofonu izena Alejandro, apurret robotikoa. Oso justo dakote. Entzuten da? Bai, unio bai. Jo, segus. Puta mierda para nada, zengo txago. Ero zen kontelako agarradore bat edo. Oso gaizki. Zengo txagoa. Mikrofono da mierda da... Dije salida. Eta youtuber, atxo. Así que, bueno, askotan ez dut lertu. Ni seguro ez dela mikrofono ezarra. Seguro nire arrasura hori. Edako, ez dakit. Zito pentsatzen ez da. Audio ez dakit zer. Hau da. Creo que he puesto el vídeo y se lo envías en el coño.
Everyone remember the plan? Okay then. It saved me dozens of times. It's just fishing.
What's that? Oh,
Here they come. You won't feel a thing. My thoughts exactly. Let's drop this one off. Understood. Eyes open. Not a problem. Property of the DeVitt Company. Got me for the day. I got a feeling about this. Well, all right.
what the? Is that?
No objections here. Straight through hell. I smell trouble.
All in a day's work. It's now or never. Watch and learn.
I wouldn't worry just yet. It works very... It'll cost you.
Someone's about to lose a few teeth.
They're gone.
Got it. Woo. You're heavy.
Have to adjust for wind up here. Let's move you out of the way. We'll see. On my way.
What? Well, who do we have here?
Not sure I trust this. Let's keep moving. Just what I had in mind. On my way.
What the fuck? Hey, you!
Whew, chilly morning. Here goes. Well, now, let's see.
Not sure I trust this. Let's keep moving. We got places to be.
Pretty cold out here. I got lots of these. Not a problem.
Who needs a shot? My thoughts exactly.
Hey there. You hear that?
Big opportunity. Someone's about to lose a few teeth. Back in.
As you say.
First the dynamite, then the bridge. Got it. I'm full.
Have to adjust for wind up here. I'll take that, thank you.
I'm here. On my way.
This isn't over yet. Consider it done.
All who needs it. Bring it on. Okay, then.
What the fuck?
Let's get going. Up and up. Time for dynamite. Come on. Sure thing. Let's not take chances with the long coat. First, someone weakens him with a gunshot, then the other takes him out from behind.
Fantastic. We got ourselves a plan.
Here goes. Knife will do. Eyes on the target. Someone's about to lose a few teeth. Got it. You're it. Let's not take chances with the long coat. First, someone weakens him with a gunshot, then the other takes him out from behind.
Fantastic.
Dead, fucking idiot.
I'll get close.
This ain't funny.
Fuck me, they're above us!
Let's raise some hell. On my way.
We have here.
Eyes on the target. I'll get close and personal. Watch and learn. I'll get close and personal. Let's not take chances with the long coat. First, someone weakens him with a gunshot, then the other takes him out from behind.
Fantastic. We got ourselves a plan.
Come on.
I got the tools for the job. Not sure I trust this.
Pretty cold out here. Okay. Let's go.
Two's better than one.
Works very fast.
Fuck me, they're above us!
It'll cost you. Out of sight, out of mind. Gotta hide this one.
Whoever finds them, know their stuff.
You got me for the day. Oh, I'm ready. Come on.
Found you.
Sure thing.
Shall we continue? On my way.
Ah, fuck.
Time for dynamite.
Someone call for a doctor? It'll cost you.
What the hell?
Okay then. Straight through hell.
What the fuck?
First the
Trespassing!
Sure.
What?
What's up? Hurry up. On my way.
What do you expect?
Gotta go.
Ugh, don't ask.
What the? What a way.
Knife will do. Who needs it? Bring it on. Up. Now we find some dynamite, then we head on down there and send that bridge to the Almighty. Not a problem. Eyes on the target. I'll get close and personal. God. You're heavy.
Wait here for 3 days, James. This is unbearable.
You expect me to...
We of the DeVitt Company.
We'll put a stop to this. I'll settle this my way. Doesn't sound too hard. This is where it counts. Till the end of the world. I sense a plan coming up. Eyes on the horizon, Katie. Don't look down.
You scared of heights?
Oh no. I love heights, but I've never had the time to learn to swim. It's us against the world.
Wedding was yesterday. We missed the ceremony. We will be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
We better not.
Ready when you are. Sean. This isn't over yet. Perfect opportunity to borrow a dress. She probably won't even notice it gone.
We've been wasting away here for 3 days, James. This is unbearable.
What is that?
One moment.
This is...
The wedding was yesterday. We missed the ceremony. We will be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
We better not.
You guys don't do half measures.
No, I'm not a bridge repairman. They say it's not safe.
The bridge looks just fine.
Now's the time. Sheldon, I've never seen someone haul that much luggage.
Perfect opportunity to borrow a dress. She probably won't even notice it gone.
Be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck.
I heard you. Come out. Hey, now. Hey, you!
I got a bullet for you.
Don't not allowed here. I've got you. Wedding was yesterday. We missed the ceremony. We will be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
We better not.
We've been wasting away here for 3 days, James. This is unbearable.
What do you expect me to do? I'm not a bridge repairman. They say it's not safe.
The
Dynamite.
bridge looks just fine.
I've never seen someone haul that much luggage.
Perfect opportunity to borrow a dress. She probably won't even notice it gone. They ain't gonna stop me.
Wedding was yesterday. We missed the ceremony. We will be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
You better not.
We'll show the DeVitt Company. This is for Uncle Ian.
Big operation they have. Oldest trick in the book.
We've been wasting away here for 3 days, James. This is unbearable.
Need some
What do you
change.
expect me to do?
What?
Easy as pie. Looks like a perfect fit. It's us against the world.
We've been wasting away here for 3 days, James. This is unbearable.
Let's
What do you expect me to do?
Let's see if I can't just up and lure that guard away from his duties.
Don't tell me you're just gonna walk up to him.
Watch and learn, Dr. McCoy. I know what I'm doing. Stay close behind
Wedding
me.
was yesterday. We missed the ceremony.
Away.
We will be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half.
Not bad for an innocent little farmer's niece.
I've never met an innocent farm girl in these parts.
You don't say.
We've been wasting away here.
Spain.
Family stuck here is
Better not.
Ready when you are.
We've been wasting away here for 3 days, James. This is unbearable.
What do you expect me to do? I'm not a bridge repairman. They say it's...
I'll settle this my way.
Let's blow that.
Wedding was yesterday. We missed the ceremony. We will be the last ones to arrive.
Half the family's stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
My thoughts exactly.
I'm here. It's now or never.
Enough dilly-dally. I'll work my Let's give him a show. Don't miss your chance, darling.
All right. What the? Who do we have here?
Keep it cool. Hurry up.
Your help's appreciated. All eyes on me. Watch and learn. This way, darling.
All right.
How's it going? Who needs a good cat? Bring it on. Back in. Okay then. Here goes.
Do we have to wait forever? Wrapped around my little finger. Don't miss your chance, darling.
All right. These guys don't. I'll get close in person.
The show goes on. Charming. This is my kind of spell. Let's dazzle him. Doesn't sound too... I was wondering.
How can I help you?
Ready.
This is nothing, darling.
Sure. Whatever you need.
Eyes on the target.
Maybe we could.
Yeah, I'm listening.
No problem.
Handsome fellow like you.
I'm here all day, honey.
What do you think?
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Let's see. Knife will do.
You're giving me ideas.
It's now or never. Let's go.
Want to blow the...
Stick to the plan.
Have to adjust for wind up here.
All's quiet.
Straight through hell.
Let's get him some trouble. I'll fool him, no problem. Let's take a gander. Stay close behind me.
Lead the way. Let's do this later, okay?
I'll get close and personal. All right, got you. You're heavy.
Require answers.
Nothing's wrong here. Want to...
Now, here's a thought.
This is better than a theater play.
Pretty cold out here. Not a problem. Sure thing. Another day, a different train. Okay, let's go. Let's get going. No need to get bloody.
We need backup.
I got a bullet for you.
Son of a bitch!
It's ain't ready yet.
Alarm! Alarm! Think you're clever, huh?
Wait, where's my knife?
I've got you.
Not a problem. yourself. Bridge won't collapse by itself. Sure thing. It's now or never. Another day, a different train.
These ladies aren't gonna fall for my charms. I'll need to be careful. Ready when you are.
How's it going? Not a problem.
We're not finished here. There in a second.
What now? Hey, you!
Expect me to do? I'm not a... Safe.
This isn't over yet. This is where it counts. Consider it done.
These guys don't do half measures.
Quite the excitement. Until the curtains fall. I'll bring them your way. Why don't we go somewhere private?
All right.
How's it going? Who needs a good killing? Close and personal. And up. On my way. Okay, let's go.
It's cold up here. I'll get to it. These ladies aren't gonna fall for my charms. I'll need to be careful. Hey there, good looking.
I'm not in the mood.
Time for my entrance. My, aren't you handsome? Save my post, darling. You know. It was worth a try. It's us against the world. Yeah. I'll work my charms. I was wondering.
I'm here all day, honey.
Then the bridge. Now's the time.
Got any plans right now?
I can talk to you all day.
You're not allowed here.
What can I do you for? I'll play the charmer. Watch and learn. It's us against the... Why don't you come over for a bit?
All right.
Who needs a good killing? But I need to get bloody. That. No problem.
Ready when you are, darling. Let's take a gander. These ladies aren't gonna fall for my charms. I'll need to be careful. I'll get to it. Time for my entrance. Hey there, good looking.
Yeah, I bet I can help.
Plan. On my way.
Got any plans right now?
Another day,
What's that?
different train.
What now?
Hurry up.
What do you think?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Need eyes on the target. I'll get close and personal.
Maybe we could.
You got some lovely voice.
You're giving me ideas.
Sure, hey, whatever you need.
All right.
Property of the DeWitt Company. Well, all right.
All in a day's work.
I'll settle this my way. There in a second.
It pays duck.
Look at all this. The DeWitt Company is richer than Croesus.
Speaking of which, weren't you under contract with the company?
Still would be. If the bastards ever bothered paying for the train job.
What's up? Let's get going.
There's more where that came from.
No problem. There's something.
Flagstone.
See
They're a bunch of
anything you'd
hillbillies.
like?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
It's cold up here. Handsome fella, politics is a little...
We'll take the town easy.
Whatever you need.
Have a nice day.
I'll stay here if you need me.
This isn't over yet. Let's give him a show.
Don't you want revenge for Jarvis, Wild Marge, McBain?
No, let them keep their shithole.
This is for Uncle Ian. Just you and me, handsome.
Hell yeah.
Pretty cold out here. Who needs a good killing?
Shit,
Get bloody.
If the bastards ever bothered paying for the train job.
See anything you'd
Hey, what's
like?
a big idea?
I could talk to you all day. I'm all ears, honey.
Oh, there's trouble in Flagstone.
We're here for the wedding.
First the dynamite, then the bridge.
Got any plans right now?
You got a lovely voice.
Like you.
Shithole.
There's more where that came from.
Yeah,
I was talking
I'm
to
gonna
you.
come back later, okay?
Leave it to me. This is for Uncle Ian.
Get it. I'm
Let's
not going
dazzle.
back there.
Let me ask you something.
Whoa, look at you.
Let's go.
What do you think?
No problem, Missy.
You're giving me ideas.
I'm here all day, honey.
Watch and learn.
Got any plans right now?
Sure. Whatever you need.
Someone's a bad dude. You're heavy.
See anything you'd like?
Yeah, I'm listening.
It's now or never.
What do you think?
Bring it on.
I'm all ears, honey.
And up.
This is nothing, darling.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Hurry up.
Handsome fella like you.
Eyes on.
I'm here all day, honey.
Knife will do. No problem.
Enough dilly-dallying. Charming. All eyes on me. Hey, darling.
You're a beauty.
Shall we?
Then you go. I'll stay here.
Got any plans right now?
You got a lovely voice.
On my way.
Maybe we could.
I could talk to you all day.
Let's get going.
There's more where that came from.
No problem, Missy.
What do you think?
Sure.
All right. Okay. No problem. Not a problem. Who needs a good killing? No need to get bloody. Got it. And up. Here goes. Let's go. Come on.
Joe, forget it.
Okay then. I'm going up to take a look. Keep your eyes peeled.
Do you always wear such tight jeans, Mr. Cooper?
Beg your pardon?
Just keeping my eyes peeled.
Here goes. Well, now, let's see.
We'll show the DeVitt Company. Let's take a gander.
Come on, we gotta take back Flagstone. It pays double.
No chance.
Until the curtains. What do you say, gentlemen? You reckon we'll find dynamite in that little shed?
We'll have to unlock the door first.
Just make sure the coast's clear so I can pick the lock.
Watch and learn.
Handsome fellow like you.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Got any plans right now?
I could talk to you all day.
Sure thing. Eyes on the target.
No. We could.
Okay.
What?
Go find him, Aaron. Heading someone else's ass Monday.
Ready when you are, darling. Consider it done. I better not let that long coat see me.
Go find him, Aaron.
What can I do you for?
Get it.
sense of plan coming up.
Well, be my guest. Practice makes perfect.
Double.
No chance. Hey, you hear about Flagstone?
Child's play. They ain't gonna stop me. All or nothing.
Get off our backs, will you?
Yeah, we gotta get ready for Flagstone. Well, carry on then, kids.
Wait a second.
Go find a mare and stick your head in someone else's ass Monday.
Let's blow that thing up. On my way.
Was they? You're not allowed. Go find a mare and stick your head in someone else's ass Monday.
Yeah, we're practicing here.
Wait a second. Son of
I
a
got
bitch.
you. Oh yeah? Why don't you come over here?
Get you.
Here.
This wasn't
Go find a mare and stick your head in someone else's ass Monday.
Yeah, we're practicing here. Well, be my guest. Practice makes perfect.
on it. I better not let that long coat see me. I'll know I'm up to something. This isn't over yet. I'll play the charmer. You got a minute?
Yeah, baby, I got what you need.
On my way.
Your help's appreciated. Let's do this again
Come back
sometime.
later, okay?
This wasn't how I pictured it. These violent delights.
Go find a mare and stick your head in someone else's ass Monday.
Yeah, we're practicing here. Well, to be my guest, practice makes perfect.
There in a second. I better not let that long coat see me.
What?
I know I'm up. I'm all ears.
Go find a mare and stick your head in someone else's ass Monday.
Yeah, we're practicing here. Well, to be my guest, practice makes perfect.
Till the end of the world. I better not let that long coat see me. I'll know I'm up to something. Less dazzling. I was wondering.
But I can help you.
Should have changed into something warmer. See you later, sweetheart.
Hey, not fair.
No sense of plan coming up.
Eyes open.
We'll put a stop to this.
All in a day's work. Should have prepared some dynamite. I got the tools for the job. Just when I had them there. No, not this way. Oh, I'm ready.
connections here.
Under here. All right.
You're the customer.
What's up? Shall we?
Do we have to wait forever?
Get off our backs, will you?
Gotta get ready for Flagstone. Well, carry on, kids.
This isn't over yet. All eyes on me. Let me ask you something.
Here goes.
This fucking goodbye for now.
Hey, come back later, okay?
On my way. It's now or never.
Wait a sec.
Let's blow that thing up. Now, let's see.
What is
You're not allowed
out
here.
here?
Okay then. Fuck. Hurry up.
Don't worry about me. Let's dazzle them.
You hit the mountain. That's progress.
Hey, darling.
Get off our back.
Oh, look at you.
Let's go. Let's blow that thing up.
We'll put a stop to that. What nice talking to you.
I'm always here, sweetheart.
Now's the time. On my way.
Ready when you are. I'll play the charmer.
Eyes open.
My, aren't you handsome?
But I can help you.
Okay. Let's go.
Don't you want revenge for Jarvis? Wild Mark?
I'll slow down. Let's do this again sometime.
See you later.
They ain't gonna stop me.
Where'd he go?
Let's take a gander.
You hiding.
All right.
You got no. Wild Marge,
Cold
McBain.
out here.
Maybe. We could.
You got a lovely voice.
Molly, have a nice day.
Sure,
Handsome.
sure. Keeping me waiting, huh? Hello? Come on, not in the mood. You hiding from me? You hiding from me? Probably taking a shit.
The root of all our problems. I'll work my charms.
Are you trying to miss or hit them?
Got a minute?
Oh, look at you.
Here goes.
Hey, I see you now.
First the dynamite, then the bridge.
Are you trying to miss or hit this?
Keep going.
The hell?
I see you.
Are you trying to miss or hit them balls?
That damned railroad never came. I know just where to head. I got good aim. Charming.
Here. Well, be my guest. Practice makes perfect.
Time for a nap.
Are you trying to miss or hit them balls?
Go find him, Aaron.
That damned railroad never. I'll work my charms.
Yeah.
Don't do half measures.
Here. Will it be my guest?
Got a minute?
Ooh, you're a beauty.
Okay. Let's go.
See anything you'd like?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Now, let's see.
Hey, now.
See you around, dog. Now, I'll work my charms. Till the end of the world.
Are you trying to miss or hit them balls?
I was
Go
one.
find him, Aaron.
Yeah. Maybe I got what you need. Is that? Alright.
Your help's time for my entrance.
All in a day's work.
You got a minute?
Yeah.
Go find him,
Maybe I
Aaron.
got what
Stick
you
your head in
need.
someone else's ass Monday.
Yeah, we're practicing here. Will it be my guest? Practice makes
Handsome fellow like you.
no problem, Missy.
Right.
Fuck. I got it.
Do we have to wait forever? I'll work my charms.
First the dynamite, then the bridge. Come on.
Hey there, good looking.
Oh, look at you. Yeah, we're practicing here. Will it?
This is nothing, darling.
No problem, Missy.
Shall we?
Son, I got you. Will it be my guest? Practice makes
You're
perfect.
giving me ideas.
Yeah, I'm listening.
It's now or never.
Got any plans right now?
Love you.
Nice talking to you.
I'm always here, sweetheart.
All in a day's work. Okay then. days. Can't carry anymore.
Carry on then, kids.
What's up? Let's get going. Let's make it quick. No need to get bloody. Oh, you're heavy.
Hit the ship.
No, it didn't. We're not that bad.
Yeah, we want to blow the place to smithereens. Very.
Go find a mare and stick your head in someone else's ass, Monday.
Yeah, we're practicing here. Be my guest. It's perfect.
Now, let's see. Hurry up.
You hit me.
You are, darling. It's us against the
Get off our backs, will you?
child's play.
Yeah, we gotta get ready for Flagstone. Carry on then, kids.
I like what I'm hearing. Not like this, no. This isn't over yet. All or nothing. I'll play with you. Wow, aren't you handsome?
Ooh, you're a beauty.
Handsome fellow like you. See you later, sweetheart.
Fine.
Let's dazzle him. Let's take a gander. Hey, darling.
Keep your head down.
Yeah, but I can help you.
Let's go.
Maybe we could.
Sure. Oh, whatever you do.
Here.
There's more where that came from.
Hey!
Maybe
Let's get going.
we could.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
This is nothing, darling.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
You're giving me ideas.
I could talk to you all day.
Each.
Got any plans right now?
Whatever you say, gorgeous. Mm-hmm.
See anything you'd like?
Well, all day. Yourself. All the others.
Like?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Knife will do. No problem.
There's more where that came from.
Lovely voice.
Let's make it quick.
This is nothing, darling.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Eat Charlotte. Let's make it quick. Now, let's see. Let's go.
Double.
No chance.
Now's the time. Not a problem.
We'll take back the town easy like.
Right.
Don't you want revenge for Jarvis, Wild Marge, McBain?
Oh, let them keep their shithole.
Up. It's now or never.
Forget it. I'm not going back there.
He pays double.
No chance.
It's Flagstone. They're a bunch of hillbillies.
Oh, hillbillies with guns.
We'll take back the town easy like.
These guys don't do half measures. Here goes.
What the fuck? Don't you want revenge for Jarvis, Wild Marge, McBain?
No, let them keep their shithole.
On my way.
Wait a second.
You...
Back, Grizzly.
Let's get going.
Come on, we gotta take back Flagstone.
Oh, forget it. I'm not going back there.
I just need a few seconds.
He pays double.
No chance.
What's that noise?
Sure thing.
It's Flagstone.
What's that?
Keep your head down.
We'll take back the town easy like.
Then you go. I'll stay here.
Should have changed into something warmer. This is for Uncle Ian.
Don't you want revenge for Jarvis, Wild Marge, McBain?
No, let them keep their shithole.
I'll play the Let me ask you something.
Yeah. Bet I could help you.
Woo, you scared the shit out of me.
See anything you'd like?
You
Ah,
have a
cowards
lovely
all.
voice.
Oh, go and get yourselves plugged back, Grizzly.
Got any plans right now?
I'm listening. listening.
I smell trouble.
We're not finished, buddy. Let's do this again sometime. Something. Gotcha. See anything you'd like?
Sure. Whatever you need. Get yourselves plugged back, Grizzly.
Have a nice day.
Oh,
Handsome.
not fair.
I'll get
Come on, we gotta take back Black.
Ah, aren't you handsome?
Oh, look at you.
Nice talking to you.
See you later, maybe?
Pays double.
Should have prepared some dynamite.
Understood.
It's Blackstone. They're a bunch of hillbillies.
Oh, hillbillies with guns.
Let's dazzle them.
We'll
Hey
take
there,
back
good
the town
lady.
easy like.
How can I help you?
We'll see.
Wait a second.
We'll
Hey,
take back the
darling.
town easy.
How can I help you? Go. I'll stay here.
There's more where that came from.
I'm all ears, honey.
There you are. Gee,
You're giving me ideas.
I could talk to you all day.
don't you want revenge for Jarvis, Wild Marge, McBain?
Oh, let them keep
See
their shit.
anything you'd like?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Oh,
Maybe.
sorry.
We could.
Oh, go get yourself blow back, Grizzly.
Sight out of mind.
I got you.
McBain,
Got any plans right now?
You got a lovely voice.
See anything you'd like?
I could talk to you all day. What?
There's more where that came from.
I'm here all day, honey.
Let's see.
Wait a second.
What do you think?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
It's now or never.
This is nothing, darling.
Yeah, I'm listening.
pays double.
Shut up.
No chance.
Handsome fellow like you.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Need sharpening.
Maybe. We could.
Sure.
It's Blackstone. They're a bunch of hillbillies.
Oh, hillbillies with guns.
See anything you'd like?
I'm all ears, honey.
We'll take back the town easy.
Then you go.
Handsome
I'll
fellow
stay
like
here.
you.
No problem, missy.
You're giving me ideas.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Keeps me
There's
waiting,
more
huh?
where that came from.
I'm here all day, honey.
I'm not in the mood.
This is nothing, darling.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
You guys don't do half measures. Okay.
Maybe. We could.
You got a lovely voice.
Okay, fine. Be that
Your help's appreciate it. What do you think? See you later, sweetie.
Here if you need
Let
me.
me ask you something.
Yeah. I bet I can help you.
Watch and learn. Let's make it quick.
Don't you want revenge for Jarvis, Wild Marge,
Any
McBain?
plans right now?
Oh, let them keep their shit, honey.
Here goes.
See anything you'd like?
No problem.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Scared the shit out of me.
Got any plans right now?
Sure. Whatever you need.
Keep it cool. Eyes on.
Maybe. We could.
I could talk to you all day.
Got it.
What do you think?
Right.
I'm listening.
Get bloody. Oh, and up. Here goes.
I got the tools for the job. My thoughts exactly. The path is blocked. You'll see.
Well, be my guest. Perfect.
I got a feeling about this. Okay then. Just what I had in mind. Not even a challenge.
Oh,
Just what I had in mind. Not even a challenge. Straight through hell.
That'll do. All right. One bundle of dynamite. Now, back to the bridge.
we're good partners, don't you think?
Partners is it's a strong word, miss.
Oh, come now, Mr. Cooper. Us, together, against the world?
Well, after this, it'll be you alone and back safely at your ranch.
Yeah.
I smell trouble. This'll do nicely. Leave some for later.
We've been wasting away here.
Going with the plan. My thoughts exactly. We'll see. Understood.
Bridge won't collapse by itself.
Enough dilly-dallying. Charming. This isn't over yet.
You guys don't do half measures. Sure thing. Not a problem. Big operation they have here.
I'm all ears. Yeah. Let's deliver the package, gentlemen.
Hey, McCoy, you sure you're a good enough shot to hit that fuse?
Watch and learn, Mr. Cooper.
I'll settle this my way. Time for Nick. Let's dazzle them. All or nothing. Hey there, good looking.
Oh, look at you.
Watch and learn. Pretty cold out here.
There's more where that came from.
I could talk to you all day.
Handsome fellow like you.
Well, I'm here all day, honey.
You're giving me ideas.
I'm listening.
On. Got it. Let's go.
Got any plans right now?
No problem, Missy.
This is nothing, darling.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Maybe we could.
I'm all ears, honey.
What do you think?
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
See anything you'd like?
Sure. Well, whatever you
How's it going? Here goes.
What do you think?
You got a lovely voice.
Eyes on the target. I'll get close in person.
You're giving me ideas.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
You're heavy. Come on.
Handsome fellow like you.
What?
Son of a bitch!
Maybe we could.
I'm all ears, honey.
You're giving me ideas.
Sure. Well, whatever you
Eyes on the target.
What do you think?
I could talk to you all day.
Handsome fellow like you.
No problem, Missy.
Watch and learn.
See anything you'd like?
Well, I'm here all day, honey.
Someone's about back in business.
This is nothing, darling.
I'm listening.
Hurry up.
There's more where that came from.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Fuck.
What do you think?
You got a lovely voice.
I'll get close and personal.
Got any plans right now?
I'm here all day, honey.
You're heavy. Who needs a good killing?
Maybe. We could.
No problem, Missy.
Handsome fellow like you.
Bloody.
I can talk to you all. Get some back!
What do you think?
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
I'll get close and personal.
See anything you'd like?
Lovely voice.
Oh, getting heavy here.
I'll work. Let's do this again sometime.
All right.
Got a minute?
You're a beauty.
You're giving me ideas.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Have a nice day.
Sure.
I enjoy, darling.
Yeah. Bet I could help you.
Shall we?
Got any plans right now?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Let's get going. Who needs a good kill? Let's make it quick.
Handsome fellow like you.
I'm all ears, honey.
Here goes. Whew. You're heavy.
There's more where that came from.
I'm listening.
This is nothing, darling.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
I'll get close and personal.
What do you think?
No problem, Missy.
Let's do this again sometime. I ain't gonna stop. I'll work my charm. Let me ask you something.
Just a scratch.
I got you.
Now's the time. Eyes on the target.
There's more where that came from.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Someone's about to lose a few teeth.
What do you think?
Back in.
You got a lovely voice.
Where to?
The show goes on. Let's do this again
I'll
sometime.
see you later.
Play the charmer. Let me ask you something. Have a nice day.
See ya later,
Aren't you
maybe.
handsome?
You're a beauty.
Big operation they have here. Okay. Let's go.
What the fuck?
You're giving me ideas.
Sure. Whatever you need.
Who needs to make it? Knife will do.
Maybe. We could.
No problem, Missy. Trespass!
There's more where that came from.
Sure. Whatever you.
I'll get close and personal.
You're giving me ideas.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Eyes open.
Ready when you are. Let's do this again sometime.
There.
Eyes on me. My, aren't you handsome?
How can I help you?
These guys don't do half measures.
This is nothing, darling.
You got a lovely
What's
voice.
See anything you'd like?
I'm here all day, honey.
Enough dilly-dallying. Have a nice day. And I'll play the charm.
All right.
Let me ask you something.
Oh, look at you.
Here goes.
Got any plans right now? Goodbye for now.
No, not fair.
This is for Uncle Ian.
Still here. Where to? Stick to the plan. Come on. Watch and learn. Bridge won't collapse by itself. Not a problem.
Let's give him some trouble. I like what I'm hearing. Let's dazzle him. I was wondering.
Yeah,
Keep it cool.
bet I can help you.
Meet Sharpen.
Maybe we could.
Yeah, I'm listening.
I'm all ears. Have a nice day.
I'm here if you need me.
Got a minute?
Thing up.
Maybe I got what you need.
Okay, then. Let's make it quick.
Do we have to wait forever?
Keep your head down. On my way. And up. Let's go. There's gotta be another way. Shall we? Whew. You're heavy. No problem.
Ready when you are, darling.
I'm listening. I got a feeling about this. My thoughts exactly.
The show goes on till the end of the world. What's in that shed down there?
Looks like storage. Might be a good idea to stock up.
Yeah, this place is gonna be all fire and brimstone in a few minutes.
If we find dynamite in there, I'm gonna be angry.
I'll get to it. Time for my entrance. Consider it done. Hey, darling.
Time for done.
Yeah, you're a beauty.
Need sharpening. Okay. Let's go.
Someone cough, you won't feel a thing. I smell trouble.
Don't.
Time for dynamite. Sure thing.
Everyone remember the plan. No objections here.
The root of all our problems. I'll play the charmer. All eyes on me. My, aren't you handsome?
Knife will do.
You won't feel a thing. Let's keep it.
Bet I can help you.
Meat for the vultures.
Oh, up.
Someone call for it. Up we go.
All ears. Handsome. See you around, darling.
Sure.
They ain't gonna stop me.
Keep your head down. The ridge won't collapse by itself. Needs sharpening.
Do we have to wait forever? I'll work my charms. This isn't over yet.
I'm here.
Got a minute?
How can I help you?
Let's make it quick. Well, now.
What do you think?
Okay.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Let's get nice talking to you. On it.
Oh, not fair.
Pretty cold out here.
What the?
Don't worry about me. See you later, sweetheart.
Come back later, okay?
It's cold up here. All eyes on me. On it.
Whew. Chilly morning.
Something.
I was wondering.
Sure.
Hey, you're a beauty.
Eyes on knife will do. No problem.
Here in a second. I'll settle this my way. Let's dazzle them. Yeah. Let me ask you something.
Hey, you're a beauty.
Eyes on the range on.
Enough dilly-dallying. This is for Uncle Ian. Easy as pie.
Have to adjust for wind up here. Well, all right. Understood.
Is he? Come on, not in the mood. Hello? Come on, not in the mood. Hello?
Straight through hell.
Okay, fine. Be that way.
We'll see. Let's take care of it. minutes exactly. There we go. I'm afraid I'm at the limit.
Finished here.
Bridge won't collapse by itself.
I'll take that, thank you.
Here go, back in business. I'm full. Eyes open. Let's get going.
Going with the plan. Just what I had in mind. I don't have many of these.
Pretty cold out. Things will get noisy. Damn, I'm good.
Everyone remember the plan. It works very on my way.
Oh, I'm ready. You're heavy. And up. Big operation they have here. Okay then.
What can I do you for? This is where it counts. I'll play the charmer.
What's up? Time for dynamite. Watch it. Needs sharpening. Okay. Let's go. On my way. On my way. Who needs a good killing? Knife over. Here goes. It's now or never. Let's make it quick. On my way.
We got places to be. Okay then. I smell trouble. Primed and ready.
All right then. It's your show, Doc.
I suggest we head somewhere with a good view.
Well, now, let's see.
Property of the DeVitt Company. Handle with care. Steady hands. Let's keep moving.
James, this is unbearable.
What do you expect me to do? I'm not a horse.
Whew. Chilly morning.
Ask the family. Stuck here
I'm
as well.
here.
I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
He better not.
No objections here. The gas is perfectly safe. Oh, I won't miss. Never saw it coming. My specialty. I got a feeling about this. I don't have many of these steady hands. My specialty. All in good time. Down she goes.
Holy hell!
You weren't kidding, Doc.
What the fuck? Give me the bastards that did this!
They did it. Time for Hector to make an entrance.
This doesn't
Keep an
look
eye on
good.
the door. Stuck here as well. I'm sure our cousin won't marry in a church half full.
He better not.
Shall we?
You're the customer.
These guys don't do half measures.
Should have prepared some
We've been
dynamite.
wasting away here.
Thoughts exactly.
They say it's not safe.
The bridge looks just fine.
Gas is perfectly my specialty. Down she goes.
Holy hell!
You weren't kidding, Doc.
What the fuck? Give me the bastards that did this!
They did it. Time for Hector to make an entrance.
Thank you, gentlemen. Now, let's hurry. We got a train to
the
catch.
goddamn
No
train.
reason to stay quiet anymore.
This is gonna get wild.
If you want to stock up at the shed, now's the time. Just what I had in mind.
Who's in charge around here?
This won't happen on my watch.
Who's gonna clean this?
Focus, you piece of shit!
The root of all our problems. Let's take a gander.
Secure the goddamn train!
Leave it to me. They ain't gonna stop me. I got good aim.
Keep an eye on the door!
I sense a plan. You need a rest. All right, coming right up. Until the curtains fall. This is my kind of
won't happen on my
down. Don't mess with the lady. It's us against the wall. I know just where to hit. Time for a nap. Sorry in advance, darling. I think you should lay down.
Lots of these.
Nobody's getting in here!
Need some change. Sure thing.
Something.
It's foreign. Strap in. Right where it counts.
Fell over.
That should knock him out for a while. Time for my entrance.
Focus, you piece of shit!
Stick to the plan.
Got a minute?
This now.
Oh, look at you. Lazy
Let's
bastard.
make it quick.
Stop slacking off.
Shit. It's not always.
Too many.
Okay. Let's go. One less.
This won't happen on my watch.
Let's go. Let's get going.
What's that?
Here goes.
Secure the goddamn train!
And up. Let's go.
Hey now.
This won't happen on my watch.
On my way.
Something's...
Okay then.
Keep an eye on the door!
Hurry up.
Enough dilly-dallying. Consider it done.
Nobody's getting in here!
This is for Uncle Ian. There in a second. All eyes on me.
This won't happen on my watch.
Yeah, yeah.
Nobody's getting in here. You hear about Flagstaff?
Sure thing. All right.
What?
Secure the goddamn train!
Here goes.
We'll put a stop to this. I'll settle this my way. I sense a plan coming up. Doesn't sound too hard.
Nobody's
It's
getting
us
in here.
against the world.
Look who's here already.
Hey, Hector.
In trouble?
Hector's here.
Keep your head
Secure the
down.
goddamn train!
Hurry up.
Just getting started.
How you doing?
It's all right.
I see. I'm in the mood for some shopping. Coming
Secure the
through.
goddamn train!
Got a package here.
Where'd he go now? Hello? Still around? There?
This way, amigo.
Hiding from me, yeah.
Time for the racks.
Whatever it is.
Can do. Here comes the postman. No sweat. Where do you want this? Let's do this. Come on, amigo.
It's cold up here. This isn't over yet.
How's it going? Let's get going.
That?
Gotta figure something out.
Something's...
Okay. Let's go.
As you say.
One of the workers' fault, no doubt.
You'll see.
The hell?
I got a feeling about this.
All ears. Let's dazzle them. They ain't gonna stop me. Let me ask you something.
Let's punch it.
But I can help you.
He needs a haircut.
Time for the axe.
You're giving me a speech.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Look who's here already.
Oh, I needed that.
This is nothing. I can handle it. Let's light this up. And another one. I can do this all day.
Hurry up. Whew. You're heavy.
Yeah, I'm ready. On my way.
Everyone remember the plan. Just what I had in mind.
Let's give him some trouble.
To Hector.
Yeah.
Still here. Here goes.
No sweat. Over there? No problem. I can handle it.
Let's blow that thing up. Shall we?
Everybody, on the train. Let's go.
You sure about this?
Absolutely. I'm not finished with DeVitt.
I'd rather you stay with your ranch,
And I'd rather see what you got.
if you insist.
Damn it. Not my lucky day, it seems.
Another round?
I think I'm good.
I warned you, he's a damn cheater.
Like I'd have to cheat against you.
Finally.
Trust me, it's worth waiting for. So, what about the train?
We'll ditch it. Don't need it to get to New Orleans.
What's in New Orleans?
Just an old bounty I want to catch up on.
Frank, huh? I know that face. Works for the DeVitt Company now.
Hey, let me see it. That's an old picture. How long has this hunt been going?
Long enough. I'll finish it in New Orleans.
Guess we all have our troubles. Hector, it tastes amazing.
I told you so.
I think it's a bit salty.
Well, there's definitely some salt missing.
Oh, okay, it sounds like there's more left for the two of us.
I didn't say I don't want more. It's just not properly spiced.
Oh. Shut up, McCoy.